Here is the image we are working with. First, duplicate the background layer using Ctrl and J. Right click, convert it to a smart object. Then duplicate it again. Hide the top copy for now and select the first duplicate. Go to the filter, noise and median. Increase the radius until the acne blurs out. Next, create a solid color adjustment layer and fill with 50% gray. Right click it and choose Convert to Smart Object. And change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Now go to the filter, noise, add noise. Add a small amount of noise and make sure monochromatic is checked. Then go to the filter, stylize, emboss. Adjust the angle, height and amount until you get the natural looking skin texture. Now unhide the top layer, change the blending mode to vivid light. Press Ctrl and I to invert it. Go to the filter, other and high pass. Increase the radius to smooth the skin while keeping detail. Now select all three layers and group them using Ctrl and G. Go to the layer style and select blending options. In the underlying layer, hold Alt to split the sliders. Drag the black half to the right and white half to the left until the blending between highlights and shadows look natural. Finally, add a layer mask to the group and invert it with Ctrl and I. Select the brush tool, set the flow to about 15%, foreground color white, and gently paint over the skin to clean up blemishes. The acne is gone, the skin is smooth and the texture is preserved beautifully.